Uh, Good everyone. This is another day on the chart with me on gold. Now we shall look at gold and see what has been happening. If you check the movement of gold so far, you can see gold have had some points of confluence and resistance in time past, like these places. Check this place now. Here, another place is here. Here, where it topped and cooled off a little. Here, uh, something happened here. And now, finally, this is another one. Of course, generally it's expected that gold is going to 5,000. That's what a lot of people have predicted. But it can't just run straight to 5,000. So now we have gold on the weekly, so an uptrend. And now this is gold. So this is gold on the daily. But it has some issues we are going to look into because if you check very well, okay, let me reduce the number of charts and lines so we can actually know what we are talking about now. If you check the history of gold, because these are past trades, there's no need to use it to judge the market now. So I have impression that gold may break below this trend line, touch here, and from here now we push ahead. Why do I say that? Because so far this trend line is actually the main support we have witnessed so far, but I don't think the gold is done dropping. It needs to grab a little more liquidity and then continue upwards. But however, if the market favors gold and it decides to push above this trend line, then it's okay. Then we can trade it. We have a case of break and retest. We trade it this way. You allow it to break. As if anything will happen and gold did not break below here before moving up, then once it breaks above, we wait for it to retest the trend line and then we push ahead. So that is it. So I prefer a scenario where gold will drop here. That's what I prefer. Even if it will not drop so far as this place, but a little below this line, that will be more comfortable, more balanced to have enough leg to push further in the bullish case. So that is it for me and gold, and see you the next video. If you want to see it on the 4-hourly chart, this is it. And it looks like it's going to do as I say, because it's not trying to push above this resistance level anytime soon. So it may be favored to drop below here, possibly to this place. If not here, maybe to this level. And from here now, we gather energy to push ahead. That is what I would prefer for gold. Thank you and see you in the next video.